Welcome to my channel, my name is Boy, and today we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing the NANLITE PavoTube 26C. It's a very compact light. I like it a lot. You will see a lot of videos from them here on the channel. Thank you very much for supporting our channel. It's a very light, very nice package. TRI 95, which is like the quality of the light. As close to 100, better. 95, that's pretty close. Let's unbox this. I love it because it's RGB. So that's it. You get a little manual. You get a cord, USB-C to USB. Very nice. You can power and use at the same time as well. There's a thing to not eat. Little magnets, little metal parts that you can tape on the wall and you are able to like magnet anywhere you want. Oh, that's cute. That's nice. Little strap that you can like screw on the light. You can just... It comes with this little nice bag as well. Feels very soft, very thoughtful. And here we are. Boom. It's nice because you have this light shape, but then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 that you can just sit, put whatever you want. You have the mount here that you can screw on the tripod or whatever you want. Very nice. Super traditional. On the other side, the same thing. Love that. And this is the metal. This is the magnet part that I told you about. Love it. I have a little screen here as well. You turn it on, press and hold. I don't have battery. Let's use and charge at the same time then. USB-C with my power bank over here. Boom. It's already charging. Press. NANLITE, let it go. Paparazzi channel, the menu, very simple. You can change and use on your phone as well, which is very nice, wireless, and you can even use on the Wi-Fi transmission. So that's the dim, very nice. I like this. And then here, very easy. Then here you have the ability to change the intensity 0 to 100. It's very bright. Let's see if we can bring it up. Boom, 100. If you press switch, you're gonna be able to go to CCT. Battery needs to charge a little bit more. There we go, it's connecting, it's charging at the same time. Boom. Dim, you can control. Boom. HSI. So CCT, you can control here. Boom. 100%. If you press switch, we're gonna go to CCT mode, which is the color. It's 53 right now. You can switch to all the way to 7500, like I said before. And press minus to go lower, 2500. Very nice. Super orange. And you can even change the GM, which is green and magenta. If you press more, you see it's gonna get more like a green vibes. And just bring this one to more like 56. And then if I press minus on GM, it's gonna give more like a magenta vibes. So you are able to go very precise and switch everything that you want. I'm just gonna leave a 0 here. Boom, 56. Looks good. Mode again, dim, and we're gonna be able to change the hue and saturation. Very nice. I love that. Let's see this. Some numbers. So purple. It's gonna go to probably like pink, red, yellow, green, blue. Very strong because the saturation is 100 and the dim is 100 as well. So love that. And you can pick and choose whatever color you want. Saturation is the same thing. Press switch and press less. It's gonna give more white look. It's gonna be softer, see? But now let's bring saturation up. I like 100 because it's like the color. Effects, they have probably what, 15 effects, paparazzi, and then you can switch the time, the speed, the CCT as well, GM, everything. Then have candle, fire, disco, bad bulb, firework, explosion, welding, hue loop, CCT loop, interloop, CCT flash, hue flash, CCT pulse, hue pulse, storm, police car. The police car effect is definitely my favorite one. I used for my documentary in Brazil just to highlight my tattoo. If you haven't seen, I'm gonna link in the end of this video as well. And if you press switch, you can change the color, RGB, speed, effects. And if you go on the app, you can go even more deeper and change even more the settings, effects, all these things. You can customize everything. So that's pretty cool. Next, channel. Like I said before, you can switch like to, let's say 1 all the way to, I think it's 500 and something. Let's see, 200, 300, 400, 512 channels. So you can connect all of these together. Can you imagine? That's crazy. Let's bring it down to 1. Boom. Super cool. Language, you can change English and Chinese. And then wireless protocol you'll see here. And then if you want to turn the Bluetooth operation, you can just press this and it's going to be reset. Let me show you this with the app real quick. Like I said, I'm not gonna go in depth right now, but just so you guys can see, boom, I'm already here connecting because I already did that before. But if I turn this one off and turn this one on, let's put the police car. Hey, super cool. You can change the speed here, like I told you, super fast. You can do red and blue, or you can do blue and white, red, blue, and white. You can do all of these things here, or just blue, red, blue. I like more realistic red, blue, and white. That's it. Very, very cool. CCT, please. Yes. Thank you very much. Let's turn on my key light again. Boom. There we go. That's nice. This one, let's turn it off. And you can even control and adjust the seconds here. Rechargeable battery is inside, so you can bring with you on a go, and it's gonna be awesome. And this one is perfect if you want to do like a backlight, just to like highlight a little thing on the back, on your desk, little things. You see that a lot in my videos when I do the different angle, but it's very nice to use as a practical. And if you use 120 frames per second, it's not gonna flick because it's good quality light. Highly recommend. And they have like a nice community on Facebook as well. It's a nice customer service, so if you have any questions, people are always there chatting, changing information, updates, have access to all of these features and stuff that you can get on the website as well. That's pretty much it, guys. If you have any products that you want me to review, the information is gonna be down below. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.